am going to break down the 3-beat weave, so grab your poi, find a space where you can practice without hitting anybody or anything, and follow along. First, you want to practice doing the 3-beat motion on each side. So as you see, I'm going over, under, across, over, under, across. Practice on both sides, over, under, across. So one full rotation over, one full rotation under, and most of a rotation across. Over, under, across. A lot of people, when they're learning the 3-beat, will try to just drag the poi across their body as soon as they do the over-under motion, but you don't want to bring your arm across until the poi is at the farthest point from your body again. If you try to bring your poi across when it's behind your back, you're going to hit yourself. Next, practice the same motion on each side, but keep your arm down. And now I'm going to explain to you the hardest part, which is putting both of your arms together, moving the poi in rhythm. Watch this slow motion segment as much as it takes for you to understand how the poi are moving with each other. It's basically a 2-beat weave, but there's an extra motion, and that's when you bring your top hand under and your hand that's on the bottom will come across your body. It's confusing when I explain it. It's something you have to feel. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to turn a 2-beat weave into a 3-beat. Follow the pathway of the purple poi. So I just did a 2-beat. Now it's coming over on top again. Instead of going across, it's coming underneath. That's your 3-beat. Notice that when the purple poi goes under, now the orange poi is on top, so that will be your leading poi that will start the 3-beat motion on the other side. While you're learning the 3-beat, exaggerate the motion, really turn to each side of your body, and it might make a little bit more sense. Now turn on some music, don't be afraid to mess up, and have fun practicing the 3-beat weave.